Today's video is about prepping for tax season. And let's be honest, taxes aren't exactly the most exciting topic. But trust me, understanding how they work can save you some serious money. Hey there, fellow creators. Welcome back to my channel. So whether you're a full-time YouTuber or someone like me juggling YouTube as a side hustle, we are running a business. And just like any other business, we have access to a ton of tax deductions that can help you reduce what you owe. If you're not keeping track of these deductions, you're probably leaving a lot of money on the table. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Karen, and my channel is all about helping small business owners, creators, and entrepreneurs thrive in the online world. Today, we're breaking down the top tax deductions every YouTube creator should know about. I've even created a free Excel spreadsheet that will help get you ready for tax season and stay organized. You will find the link in the description below. By the end of this video, you'll not only feel more confident about tax season, but you'll also have all the tools and resources you need to maximize your savings and will help you stay organized for the next year too. Before we dive into deductions, let's talk about why taxes matter. Whether YouTube is the main way you make a living or if it's your side hustle, this information will be of value to you. If you're a full-time YouTuber, you're self-employed. That means you're responsible for tracking your income, managing your expenses, and paying your own taxes. There's no employer withholding taxes from your paycheck or reminding you about deadlines, so it's all on you to stay on top of things. And if YouTube is your side hustle, you're still in business. While your employer handles taxes for your day job, your YouTube income is self-employed income. You're responsible for reporting and paying taxes on it, just like a full-time creator. Here's the kicker. If you don't know how taxes work, you could end up overpaying or missing out on deductions that can save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Or worse, you might face penalties for underpayment or inaccurate reporting. Understanding taxes isn't just about staying out of trouble. It's about keeping more of the money you've worked so hard to earn. With the right tools and strategies like tracking your deductions, the tax season doesn't have to be like a big black hole. Okay, let's dive into understanding the difference between standard tax deductions and business tax deductions. A lot of people get confused by this, especially if you're just starting a business. The standard deduction is what everyone gets to reduce their personal taxable income by. For 2024, it's $13,850 for people filing single status and $27,700 for married couples filing jointly. But here's the thing. Business deductions like the ones we're talking about today are completely separate from that. Business deductions reduce the income from your YouTube channel, your business income, before it ever reaches your personal tax return. So whether you take the standard deduction or itemize on your personal taxes, these business expenses still work to lower your overall tax bill. For example, if your channel earned $50,000 this year and you had $10,000 in business expenses, you're only taxed on $40,000 of that income, not the full $50,000. Does that make sense? So no matter how much you earn or whether your YouTube is your main hustle or a side gig, keeping track of your business expense is a necessary must. Hey everyone, before we go any further, I want to make something clear. I am not a tax professional. This video is for information purposes only and is based on my own research and experience as a YouTube creator. To help you learn more, I've included links to helpful IRS publications and resources in the descriptions below. These are great starting points to understand the rules and deductions available to you as a creator. Taxes can be tricky and everyone's situation is unique, so feel free to consult with a licensed tax professional or financial advisor to get advice tailored to your specific needs. Now let's get back to another important question. What if I have a ton of expenses but no income yet for my channel? Can I still take business deductions? The answer is yes. If you can show that your channel is a legitimate business and not just a hobby. The IRS allows you to deduct expenses even if your channel hasn't made any money, but you need to demonstrate that you're trying to make a profit. Things like consistent posting, investing in your gear, or enabling monetization features all show that you're treating your channel as a business. But keep this in mind. You're reporting losses year after year, the IRS might start to question whether your channel is really a business. That's why it's so important to keep good records and track all of your efforts to grow your channel. Now, let's focus on the list of deductions you don't want to miss. Let's start off with the home office deduction. As a YouTuber, you likely spend countless hours filming, editing, and planning content from your home. The home office deduction allows you to offset the cost of using that space for your business. By deducting a portion of your rent, your mortgage, your utilities, and internet, you're turning those necessary expenses into tax savings. The expenses tied to your home, like rent or electricity, are usually some of the biggest in your budget. The home office deduction lets you recapture a portion of those costs, reducing your taxable income and ultimately lowering the taxes that you owe. A dedicated home office isn't just about tax benefits, it also helps you stay organized and focused. Having a separate space solely for you to work keeps you productive and reduces distractions, which can lead to better content and a much more efficient workflow. By maintaining a dedicated workspace, you treat your YouTube channel like the business it is. This not only benefits your mindset, but also allows you to take advantage of legitimate deductions that other self-employed professionals use. The IRS makes it clear that only spaces used exclusively for business qualify for this deduction. By keeping detailed records of your home office, including its size and expenses, you ensure you're taking advantage of the deduction legally and responsibly. For YouTubers, the home office deduction is a smart way to turn a key part of your creative process, your workspace, into a real financial benefit. You're already using this space to brainstorm, film, and edit, so why not get a tax break for it? By logging your home office details in the Home Office tab, you can easily track your costs and ensure you're not leaving money on the table. It's a simple, effective way to reward yourself for the hard work you do from the comfort of your own home. As a YouTuber, your gear is the foundation of your channel's success. High quality cameras, microphones, and lighting help create professional looking and engaging videos, which can attract more viewers, sponsors, and revenue opportunities. Even editing software. So if you're using design tools like a Canva or Adobe Premiere Pro or any other software for your YouTube channel business, then those expenses qualify for a business tax deduction. Even little things like SD cards for storage to camera batteries, every piece of equipment plays a role in making your content creation seamless. YouTube is a dynamic platform where quality often determines success. Upgrading your gear doesn't just benefit your current videos, it's an investment in the future of your channel. All the money you spend on equipment and supplies for your channel is tax deductible. That means whether you're buying a $1,000 camera or a $10 tripod, you can deduct those expenses from your taxable income, reducing how much you owe in taxes. By keeping receipts and logging in expenses in the Equipment and Supplies tab, in the Excel spreadsheet, you'll not only stay organized, but will also ensure you're maximizing your tax savings. Traveling is often an essential part of being a YouTube creator. Whether you're attending events, filming locations, or collaborating with other creators, these trips directly contribute to your content, making them a legitimate business expense. Whether it's vlogging from a new destination or attending industry events to network, these activities enhance your brand and potentially increase your revenue. However, the cost of travel adds up quickly. Flights, hotels, car rentals, and meals can become a major expense. Deducting these costs as a business expense directly reduces your taxable income, helping you keep more of your earnings. YouTubers often blur the lines between business and personal life, especially when travel is involved. So it's important to have detailed records of your travel, including the purpose and any associated costs. It will not only help you claim the deduction, but will also protect you in case of an audit. You want to use the tools in the Travel tab to ensure that you're prepared and compliant with all tax regulations. Properly deducting travel expenses ensures you're not overpaying on taxes while maintaining a clear distinction between personal and business trips. YouTube is constantly evolving with changes in algorithms, trends, and audience preferences. So we are constantly investing in our own professional development, whether it's through courses, workshops, or tutorials. Keeping up to date ensures you're creating content that resonates with your audience. This can give you a competitive edge in a crowded platform. By learning from experts, subscribing to mentorship programs, or attending conferences, you're improving your craft, which helps you grow your channel faster and more efficiently. Here's the bonus. All the money you spend on courses, workshops, subscriptions, books, or conferences directly related to improving your YouTube channel is tax deductible. This means you're not only bettering your skills, but also reducing your taxable income, giving you financial benefits now while investing in your future. By tracking these expenses in the Professional Development tab, you will grow as a creator and save money on tax time. Marketing and advertising are key to reaching new audiences and expanding your YouTube presence. So whether you're running Facebook ads, using Google AdWords, or hiring professionals to help with social media management or design work like Fiverr or Upwork, these efforts directly contribute to your channel's growth and visibility. Promotional materials like business cards, merchandise, or even flyers are powerful tools for building your personal brand beyond YouTube. They let your audience engage with you in new ways, turning casual viewers into loyal fans. Plus, these expenses qualify as marketing costs, so they're deductible. Every dollar you spend on marketing and advertising is a legitimate business expense. Deducting these costs reduces your taxable income, helping you save money at tax time. That means your efforts to grow your channel not only boost your audience, but also provides financial benefits. By keeping track of these expenses in the Marketing and Advertising tab, you are not only maximizing your tax savings, but also ensuring that every dollar spent works towards your long-term success. If you're a YouTuber that has a website, you understand that a website is like your digital business card. It's a way to establish credibility, showcase your content, and connect with your audience beyond the platform. Your website can complement your YouTube channel by providing extra value like blog posts, downloadable resources, or additional information about the topics you cover in your videos. Having a website as a YouTuber can open up new opportunities for monetization. You can offer courses, promote affiliate products, or even host sponsorship opportunities. It's especially useful if you're diversifying your offerings like coaching, consulting, or selling digital products. A website can help you grow your audience and boost engagement, making your site an essential tool for long-term growth. The cost of running and maintaining your site, like the domain registration, hosting fees, and design services, are considered business expenses. Deducting these costs directly reduces your taxable income, saving you money while filing your taxes. By keeping track of these costs in your website tab, you ensure that you're not missing out on any of these savings. As a full-time YouTuber, you likely depend on your ability to create, edit, and engage with your audience to sustain your income. So we're going to talk about how health insurance premiums can help with your taxes. Health insurance ensures that if something unexpected happens, like an injury or an illness, you can get the care you need without worrying about devastating medical bills. This protection is essential to maintaining both your well-being and your business. Health insurance is one of the biggest expenses for self-employed individuals, including YouTubers. Unlike traditional employees, you don't have an employer to share the cost or offer you group plans. Deducting your health insurance premiums help offset this financial burden, making it easier to manage your monthly expenses. If you're self-employed and paying for your own health insurance, your premiums can be deducted directly from your taxable income. This means you're not only protecting your health, but also reducing the amount of income subject to taxes. It's also a way to prioritize your health and financial stability, ensuring that you're able to continue creating and growing your channel without worrying about unexpected medical costs. For YouTubers earning a steady income, especially those with family plans, this deduction can result in a substantial savings. As a self-employed individual, you can tailor your health insurance to fit your specific needs and budget. From basic plans to more comprehensive family coverage, every option is eligible for a deduction. This flexibility allows you to choose the best plan for your situation while still taking advantage of the tax benefits. If you're not sure how to claim this deduction, a tax professional can walk you through the process and make sure you're maximizing your savings. Another way to save on taxes is through a solid retirement planning strategy. YouTube success can be fleeting. Algorithms change, audience interest shifts, and platforms evolve. So while you're earning money now, planning for the long term ensures that you have financial stability later in life, even if your channel or income slows down. As a YouTuber, your income may vary month to month. You might have great months with ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise sales, but those can be followed by slower periods. Setting aside money in a retirement account like a SEP IRA or a solo 401k plan helps you create a financial safety net for the future, smoothing out the uncertainty that comes with self-employment. Contributions to retirement accounts are tax deductible, meaning you can reduce your taxable income for the year. For example, if you contribute $10,000 to a SEP IRA, that's $10,000 less you'll pay on taxes. It's a smart way to save for the future while also lowering your tax bill today. Being your own boss comes with a lot of responsibilities, and retirement planning is often overlooked. Starting now gives you peace of mind that your future is secure, allowing you to focus on growing your channel and enjoying the present. As a YouTuber, you're responsible for your own financial future. There's no employer matching your 401k or setting up a pension for you. By contributing to a retirement plan, you're not only securing your financial independence, but also making a smart, tax-efficient decision. It's about ensuring that hard work you're putting in today continues to pay off well into the future. If you haven't started, now is the time. Talking to a financial advisor can help you choose the right plan and contribution level based on your income and your goals. It's one of the best investments you can make for yourself and in the future. As a YouTuber, have you ever thought about business insurance? As a content creator, you are likely to invest significant money or equipment in camera, lighting, microphones, and computers. If something happens like theft, damage, or even accidental loss, business insurance can cover the cost of repair or replacement. Without insurance, you'd have to pay out of pocket, which can be financially devastating. If you collaborate with others, host events, or even just film in public spaces, liability insurance can protect you from legal claims. For example, if someone gets injured on a set you're using, liability insurance can help cover medical costs or potential lawsuits. It's a safeguard against unexpected financial risk. YouTubers operate in a unique space where we wear many hats: creator, editor, marketer, business owner. Your equipment and content are your livelihood. Running a YouTube channel is already stressful enough with deadlines, content creation, and managing your audience. Knowing you're covered in case of an accident or a mishap lets you focus on what you do best, creating content without the constant worry of what if. Protecting your assets and reducing potential risk is essential to running a sustainable business. Plus, insurance costs are a legitimate business expense, so you're effectively getting protection at a reduced cost due to the tax savings. Here's the bonus. The premiums you pay for the business insurance are tax deductible. This means you're not only protecting your livelihood, but also reducing your taxable income, saving you money come tax season. By keeping track of your premiums and including them in your deductions, you're not only safeguarding your business, but also being financially savvy. And there you have it, my ultimate guide to tax deductions for YouTube creators. With taxes, it is so important to stay organized. You always want to keep your receipts digital or physical. Update the template regularly. Don't wait until tax season. And then when in doubt, ask a tax professional. And remember, their fees are also tax deductible. Before we wrap up, I just want to say, don't be discouraged if your channel isn't making money yet. Every big creator started somewhere, and building a business takes time. Even if you're in the red right now, tracking your expense is key to setting yourself up for success. And remember, the IRS sees you as a business if you're serious about growing and monetizing your channel. So keep creating, keep investing, and use these tax deductions to your advantage. Taxes don't have to be scary when you're prepared. Download the Excel template, check out the links in the description for more resources, and start tracking your expenses today. Really hope that you have found the information in today's video helpful. If you have, could you please give me a thumbs up so that I know I'm on the right track with creating content that you find useful. And please subscribe for more tips that I can share with you on running and managing a business. Let me know in the comment section about additional content you would like for me to create on tax challenges or anything related to being a business owner or a YouTube creator. I promise you I will respond with answers and resources. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.